Hello boys and girls and welcome to day one of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we're going to be learning a new sound. Our new sound that we are learning this week is I. 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 And I have got a picture on the back and it's a family enjoying some time outdoors. And they are flying their kites high in the sky. And it says, fly high. Can you say that? Good job. Miss Brown has got some words that have got the I sound in them. Let's have a look and see if you can spot what word it is. I. Hi. Light. Light. Now we say it a little bit differently with some of the words, just with our accent. Bright. Bright. Sight. Sight. Might. Might. Good job, boys and girls. Our I sound looks like this. This is quite a tricky sound because it has 3 letters that make up this sound. I, G, and H. Special friends, one sound. Okay, I wonder if I can trick you. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say I. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say fly high. Are you ready? So you can't trick me, Miss Brown. Okay. I'm going to add this into the review pack of our set 2 sounds that we have already learnt. Are you ready? Magnetise on the cards and I want you to shout out the sounds. What sound is this again? E. What can you see? A. A. May I play? What's our new sound? I. I. Let's see if we can do it super speedy this time. I fly high. Super speedy sounds. Okay, let's move on to some of our I words. What we're going to do is we're going to spot the special friends, Fred talk, then read the word. Are you ready? Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. Read the word. Night. Night. Nighttime is when we go to sleep. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. High. High in the sky. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Fright. Fright. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Might. Might. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Bright. Good job. Brilliant blending, boys and girls. Okay, now we're moving on to our speedy reading. Now this is a mixture of set 2 words that we've already learnt and some 1.7 words that we know already too. I'd like you to shout out as loud as you can these words. Are you ready? May, show, show, think, think, stand, stand, strop, strop, sleep, sleep. Well done. Super speedy reading, boys and girls. This brain's lost in elastic band. Okay, moving on to alien words. Now remember, these words are a load of nonsense, but they help us to say and to read our new sound that we are learning, which is I. Let's see if we can spot our special friends. Fred talk. Read the nonsense words. Special friends. I. Fred talk. Read the word. Diet? What a load of nonsense. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Kai. It sounds a bit like a name, doesn't it? Special friends. Oh, I can spot two special friends. Qui. I. Can you read that word? Quai. Those aliens are full of nonsense with their silly words, aren't they? Right, let's trick you on some of your red words. Are we ready? Magnet eyes. Let's do it together this time. Off. I. My. Brilliant reading, boys and girls. You can find the rest of your red words in your book. Remember to keep practicing reading every day of your Read Write Ink book on day 1, day 2 and day 3. Don't forget those red tricky words, super speedy sounds and your story green words as well, because that'll help you to read your book speedily. Well done, boys and girls. You have been able to say and read our new sound, I. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Read Write Ink. Bye, boys and girls.